Ever struggled to clean those tight spots around your sink, shower, or stove? The OXO Good Grips Deep Clean Brush Set promises to change that. Designed to reach where ordinary brushes can't, this set includes 2 tools that make scrubbing tough grime easier and more comfortable than ever. I started using the OXO Deep Clean Brush Set around my kitchen sink, especially near the faucet where dirt and buildup love to hide. The large brush, with its angled head and sturdy nylon bristles, tackled grout lines and shower door tracks without a fuss. What really stood out was the soft thumb pad on the back of the large brush. It gave me the power to scrub hard without straining my hand. Then there's the small brush, which fits perfectly into narrow spaces like fixtures and thin grout lines. Plus, it has a built-in wiper blade that easily removes grime from drains and crevices, a feature I didn't know I needed until I tried it. Beyond the bathroom, I found these brushes incredibly handy for cleaning out recycled containers, scraping off dried ketchup and mustard from bottles before tossing them in the recycling bin. That small convenience made my weekly chores noticeably quicker and less frustrating. If you're tired of wrestling with stubborn dirt in those impossible-to-clean areas, the OXO Good Grips Deep Clean Brush Set is worth a look. You get durable bristles, comfortable non-slip grips, and tools designed to fit the job. Whether it's grout, shower tracks, or tight corners around fixtures, these brushes deliver a deeper clean with less effort. Try it when you're ready to make cleaning less of a hassle and more efficient.